Hi, my name is Naomi Stewart, and my project.
I'm Alex Truitt.
Hi, I'm Tally Champney.
Hello, I'm Shirley.
I'm Ted.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Henry.
Scott out.
Hi, I'm Jordan Serwick.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Mike.
So the question is, how can I use a bike to power kitchen appliances so that I can make breakfast? And I do this by pedaling. I wouldn't be outside, it'd be probably stationary. And you pedal to turn gears, which will then turn a crank, which will turn a mechanical aspect, and then also create an electric charge, which you'll use to charge a battery, which you can then plug in an appliance to. So maybe a griddle if you're going to make pancakes.
Idea that we're gonna create tiles that can generate energy when people step on it. And also we are going to insert a rechargeable battery into the tiles so it can store energy from footsteps.
We're doing a drone project. Our first phase would be flying the drone autonomously from point A to point B. And then the phase 2 would be carrying a payload of something and delivering it without landing. And so this kind of models the Amazon drones.
Stage 3 will become adding video links to the drones, and the stage 4 becomes
would be weatherproofing the drone, making it more reliable to use in different weather conditions.
This mission I have to increase sustainability at Volos would be to find a way to build a cheap composter that is efficient, works quickly, and has minimal odor, because if you just have like a trash can, it can smell pretty bad. So it'd be interesting to find a way to go around those boundaries.
I talked to a lot of people about this project, and I found out that maybe changing the color of glass wasn't the only way to go. Moving forward, I hope to learn more about glass and what else I could do with it to try and solve this issue. I hope to find out more information from other people to see what they have as ideas, because I think it's helpful to have other people's input, and to continue the trial and error process to see how far I get. Thank you.
Cool. I'm doing a research project where I am growing coral and seeing how it bleaches. So the things that I'm gonna test to see is the nitrate levels, the temperature, and a few other things, depending on how much time I have within the year, and how fast the coral bleaches. So the last thing I wanted to say was I'm working on the big tank in the library, and I'm going to be managing that, keeping it running, and hopefully educating the lower school, middle school, etc., whoever, on that aquarium and the things living within it.
I'm not sure how many people actually wonder, where the water goes after it's gone down the drain, but it goes down into the sewage and into the ocean, which is really just a waste of fresh water, which is a very valuable resource. So we came up with the idea of a water fountain that once the water goes down the drain, it gets filtered and put into a holding container and then reused again later. So basically it's a water fountain. Nothing's going to change with your water except it's saving water.